lifeless kingdom where colors had mysteriously vanished, a spirited orphan named Alara discovers a magical artifact hidden in the ruins of an old castle. The Prism of Eternal Hues radiates every color of the rainbow, each representing a unique magical ability. Green heals, blue grants wisdom, red provides courage, and yellow sparks hope. As Alara holds the prism, she feels its power coursing through her veins. Her touch brings color back to her surroundings, restoring life to the kingdom's withered plants and darkened skies. However, the prism reveals a prophecy. The colors were stolen by a powerful sorcerer who seeks to drain the world of its vibrancy to fuel his own dark magic. Determined to restore her kingdom, Alara sets out on a journey to reclaim the colors. Each time she uses a color's magic, it fades from the prism, never to return. She faces impossible choices. Should she use green to heal a village stricken by a mysterious plague or save it for her final battle? When she finally confronts the sorcerer, Alara learns a startling truth. He was once a protector of the prism, corrupted by the very magic he swore to guard. With only one color left, Alara must decide how to wield its power to bring peace to her kingdom.